my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some no-bake peanut butter cookies. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget the notification bell is notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a pot over medium heat, melt a 1/4 cup of butter. Add in a 1/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix until the mixture comes to the boil. Add in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in 1¼ cup of quick oats and mix until thick. Drop spoonfuls onto a prepared baking tray and allow to cool. Enjoy no-bake peanut butter cookies.